Well, welcome to Fry's Motor Company again. This is rather special to tell you about. It's a 2011 Citroen Berlingo 1.6cc HDI engine diesel. It's the Multispace. Lovely smooth running car, typically 40-50 miles per gallon, and great comfort for the wheelchair user with the lovely soft suspension at the back. Now it's converted by constables with one seat in the back, and that's a folding seat as well, so if you want plenty of room, fold that one down. Very comfortable cabin at the front with air conditioning, front seat height adjustment for the driver, steering column adjustment, nice radio CD player, overhead shelf for storage in the floor. Now we've got the lowered floor at the back, the safety straps attached, and they're controlled by this little switch. Put it down to bring them out, put it up and they lock. So with those attached, you simply push up the ramp. Quite easy to do. These straps go on the back, that one as well, and then the seat belt just goes around the wheelchair user, plugging in down there. Now the ramp is one of the best in the business. It's got this hydraulic gas strut that takes all the weight. There you see it holds itself. It's a nice wide ramp as well. Now I sold this car when it had done 4,000 miles, and now it's done a remarkably low mileage of 8,200. So super low mileage. As I say, couldn't be a smoother car to drive. Pretty colour, twin sliding doors. If you think that's a possibility, give me a ring, we'll talk about it some more. Thank you for looking. I'll look forward to your call. Bye bye.